Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about fixed asset locations, how you can use the fixed asset location in Business Central, what you need to consider, and also what you can define here. Basically, when we talk about fixed asset location, we need to think about how is distributed our fixed asset in our different units or business units or branch or in a building if you have a different area like administrative, operation, sales. So basically you can think about where is your fixed asset in terms of physical location, and then create this fixed asset location and assign this to every fixed asset, because if you have worked with fixed asset, you probably will agree with me that the one of the worst or the hard thing about a fixed asset is how to localize the fixed asset physically, especially when your operation have different units, and then it's easy for you move fixed asset from one unit, business unit to another, and then this fixed asset basically gets lost because you cannot find the fixed asset anymore. So let's go to Business Central and see how we can create this fixed asset location, and then how we can manage this fixed asset location. Please subscribe my channel, add your comments. I am more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. Please add your comments, and if you faced before any problem with fixed asset, especially relation to fixed asset location, please let me know. Let's go Business Central and check how we can find the fixed asset location here. So first go to fixed asset. Let's click here in explore more. You can see here that you have the fixed asset location, and then is the way that we create this fixed asset location in the Kronos company. So basically it was split by area. So and also we have different buildings here, different warehouse, different departments, and this could be a way for you to manage this, right? You can create this by area, as the example here, that we have the administrative, the reception, the sales. Also, we give the information if it's in build 1 or build 2, and so on. So what you need to consider here is what is your physical location and how you want to split and manage this in Business Central. Here, in terms of process, is quite simple. You just need to go here and add a code in the name. Basically that, you don't need to do anything more. It's just that. And then when you do this, you need to go to the fixed asset and add this properly. So let's go in the fixed asset and see how we can add this fixed asset location to the fixed asset. So let's go here. Let's find the fixed asset. So here we have the fixed asset. So let's open this fixed asset and see how we can select the fixed asset location. So we have here our fixed assets. So every time that you create the fixed asset in Business Central, you should go and click here in fixed asset location and set where is this fixed asset. So you can say in this case here that my fixed asset is in the build one. Okay, and this is something that you always have to keep up to date. So that means if you want after some time, for example, if this equipment was moved from build 1 to build 2, the only thing that you need to do here is go and select the building 2. In this way, you always will have a list of fixed assets that you can select, make filters, and know where is the physical location that this fixed asset is now. Okay, basically that is quite simple, but this can help you a lot in your process if you manage your fixed assets like that, adding the fixed asset location code. Fixed asset location code is not something mandatory, but this is something really helpful in your day-to-day work. So keep this in mind. Please subscribe my channel, add your comments. I am more than happy to answer any question that you may have. Thank you and see you next video.